Hello there, wonderful viewers. Thanks for choosing this video from Fixit. Join Fixit on a journey of knowledge and creativity. Today, I will show you how to use ChatGPT for customer support. Remember to subscribe and click the bell icon so you don't miss any Fixit magic. Let's get started. First of all, open Google. Search for ChatGPT. Now log into your account or sign up. Once you have logged in, you will see this kind of interface. ChatGPT is basically a very fast AI tool in the present context of 2023. And even in the coming years, ChatGPT AI is simply going to be one of the best still for a decade. Now the thing you need to understand is here that ChatGPT is not a plugin, and it is certainly not any type of extension that you can integrate to your website for customer support. Which means that directly you can integrate it as a tool for your website so that customers can automatically talk to you from ChatGPT by letting the charge deputy know about the FAQ and so on. Will ChatGPT be able to interact with the customers? The answer is yes, but of course not directly, but indirectly so. As I said, ChatGPT is not directly integrated so inside of your website's ecosystem, so you cannot integrate ChatGPT currently. OpenAI has not worked in such a code so that they can't release it and they can give it to the general public. But the thing you can do is that if a customer asks a specific question and you are not sure about the answer, you can simply come to ChatGPT, ask for the response, and then you will be able to go ahead and respond to them accordingly. Did this video help you? Comment below if I fixed your problem. Hit the subscribe button for more tutorials. Your input fuels us. Comment something below you would like to see fixed.